Good morning, everyone. So I just want to do a quick recap of a trade I took this morning with 1 month officially in the books of live trading. This last trade was probably one of my favorite, maybe one of my best trades of the past month. So I just want to go over it real quick. So I traded Dropbox, as you can see, it was actually on my secondary list. And I was watching DXC and NKTR for probably a similar setup, but both of them hit short sale restrictions before I could get in them. So I started watching Dropbox, and it gave me an absolute 5-star setup. So what I saw here is I see on a 5 minute, see an opening range breakdown. Let me get the Epic pen over here. So I have a 5 minute opening range breakdown. I have a nice A, B, C, D pattern here. You got A, B, C, and a D. And then over here on the 2 minute chart, I have a 3-bar play. You see I have a nice big drop, pullback, and I got in right here once it bounced off VWAP. And just one other thing that I really like about this setup is that it was gapping down. Pull over the daily chart. So it gapped down, and in the pre-market, you can see it's kind of holding above VWAP, so it wasn't getting too extended. And then right before market open, started selling off a little bit, which gave me some sort of comfort and confirmation that it was going to continue to drop. So I really liked this stock and this entrance. And of course, I really try to stick to only harmonious charts that bring over the 60 minute. 60 minute, everything was above, and 15 minute, same thing. Had all the moving averages and VWAP above my entry. So I felt very good about this. And one other thing that I wanted to do today, I was actually working with William on this, is I kind of overtraded this week. I'm not very happy about that. So I actually reached out to William and asked him to review my trades this morning. I told him I'm only taking two. I don't care if they're wins or losses. Two was going to be max. And this was my second trade. I took a trade on Yelp as well, which was actually a small loser. Let me pull that up here real quick. It's one of those trades I really liked the setup, but the volume wasn't there yet, and I got in too soon for it, and it was just whipping me around. Really, once I saw this candle right here, I probably should have stayed away from it. So I got in up here. I thought it was going to be an open range breakup. It whipped down. The price action, it looks like a nice candle now, but the price action was pretty nasty to start and whipped all the way down. And I got out pretty quick and realized it was a stock I didn't want to be messing with. You can see on the 5 minute, it kind of gave you a nice entry. Looking back on it, hindsight, you could have maybe got a small winner on it. I think Andrew took this trade. But I'm gonna shake that one off. I'm gonna concentrate on the good trade I had, which is Dropbox. And I partialed out pretty much to my plan. I had a pre-market level down here at 1870, which was a support back in December of 2018. So thank you guys. Hope you guys had a good day as well.